So the company's management team is so confident and so optimistic about the company's performance so far in 2025 that they raised their outlook for the year to 13% revenue growth and 16% earnings per share growth for 2025. Typically, companies will do this if the first part of the year is better than they expected and the last part of the year is relatively well predictable, so they can make this increase in outlook for revenue and earnings per share. So the management team reiterated their confidence in the strategy they implemented starting in 2018, the intelligent system design strategy. And I always like to see this when a company's management team embarks on a new ambitious project and provides updates to investors on that project. And the updates are good news. And they tell us that things are working well, things are going better than expected, and we will continue implementing this strategy, right? You always like to hear that because there's a lot of times the opposite of that where companies will come back to you and say, you know what, it didn't work out the way we thought, but we're going to use this as a learning experience and move forward with the confidence knowing that we learned from this experience. So the management team saying that customer R&D investments remain robust, particularly as AI drive exponential design complexity, such as in advanced node design and complex system architectures. And I've been saying for this whole time about artificial intelligence that this is not a fad. This is something that enterprises find strategically imperative and are investing, some companies, hundreds of billions of dollars in the development of this technology. So the whole ecosystem is benefiting as a result because companies need all of these other companies like Cadence Design, like Taiwan Semiconductor, like ASML, NVIDIA. The whole ecosystem is benefiting from the rising effectiveness and growing demand for artificial intelligence. So I also calculated a fair value for Cadence Design System using my proprietary discounted cash flow valuation model, and I came to the conclusion that this stock is worth about $184 per share. The current market price is $353 per share. So the stock, according to my discounted cash flow valuation model, looks overvalued, trading near its 52-week high of $376. But that's not rare with companies that are benefiting from rising effectiveness of AI, getting an increase in investor enthusiasm as a result of the role they play in this growing and massive industry. For me, though, to update my buy, hold, or sell recommendation for Cadence Design, I've had this stock rated as a hold all year long in 2025, and I updated that hold rating here in this video.
Click the link below to watch the full video.